What's going on, fellas? Understanding inner potential. What does that mean for men? The concept of inner potential refers to the inherent abilities and capacities that reside within an individual, yet may remain untapped. For men, this idea encapsulates not only personal strengths, but also the unique blend of characteristics that define masculinity in both traditional and contemporary contexts.
Traditionally, the concept of masculinity was viewed as rigid. Ideals of strength, stoicism, and emotional restraint. However, evolving perceptions now recognize that fuller expression. And true masculinity involves vulnerability, empathy, less, yes, gentlemen.
We are whole, entire people too. Brothers, self-awareness allows you to comprehend your true strengths and weaknesses. It enables you to harness your full potential effectively. If we never fail, we never succeed, right? So, the journey to understanding one's potential involves reflection and introspection, where menaces our passions, values, and life experiences. The mind and spirit. You'll often hear me speak of the mind and spirit together because they are in essence interchangeable and ultimately the same. When your mind is restless, so is your spirit, or vice versa, because the mind is the seat of our spirit. That's where we reason, negotiate, emotionalize, consider, conclude. In the quest to unleash one's inner potential, the development of mental toughness and spiritual awareness is paramount. Fellas, mental toughness is not simply resistance to stress. It embodies the ability to maintain focus, overcome challenges, and emerge resiliently from difficult situations. Engaging in practices like mindfulness, meditation, or prayer can significantly enhance one's mental clarity. Mindfulness encourages you to remain present. Prayer and meditation, on the other hand, acts as a powerful tool to strengthen your mental resilience and spiritual fortitude. When you dedicate a few minutes each day to prayer or meditation, you can cultivate a sense of calm and decrease the noise around you and lessen the amount daily distractions. This alignment cultivates a fulfilling existence, where mental and spiritual strengths work in harmony to propel one closer to their true potential. I tell you secrets, I tell you no lies.
Building the body, gentlemen, I cannot stress this enough. In the pursuit of personal development, the physical body serves as a foundational pillar. The importance of fitness cannot be overstated, as it not only impacts physical health, but also significantly influences mental well-being. Engaging in regular exercise promotes the release of endorphins and can lead to improved emotional balance. Cultivating physical strength and endurance can elevate self-confidence, providing a sense of accomplishment and resilience. Check out Omar Hybrid's channel, at Omar Hybrid Athlete. His fitness journey has been incredible and inspiring. Check him out. He can show you how to build a fitness regimen that's easy, time-sensitive, and effective. We all know that nourishment plays a crucial role in enhancing our potential as well. A diet rich in whole foods, including fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, and healthy fats, fuels the body for optimal performance. It is essential to recognize that what we consume directly affects our energy levels, cognitive function, and mood. By adopting healthier eating habits, you can literally enhance your vitality and overall quality of life, creating a balanced life for the modern man. The bottom line, gentlemen, is in our pursuit of personal development. It is essential for the modern man to harmonize mental, spiritual, and physical growth. The journey begins with commitment to self-reflect and to engage in introspection and retrospection. When you allow yourself to identify what your core values really are, identify your strengths and areas that need improvement, the introspective process then becomes crucial for creating a personalized growth path.
Don't forget, fellas, incorporating community, brotherhood, and mentorship is fundamental to this endeavor.
When you have the opportunity to engage with like-minded individuals, you're in an environment that fosters support, making it easier to navigate challenges and celebrate victories. Brotherhood can offer a sense of belonging, which can be vital in maintaining motivation. It's a movement, ladies back together. Ultimately, a brighter future is about building a pathway towards sustained personal growth and enjoyment while building and enjoying the spring months ahead. Check out my new book, The Modern Man System, available on Amazon, or visit my website,
RICHBOY Entertainment 903.in, and check out my blog. Gentlemen, let's get it shalom! Gentom.